see the statement be all the babonti.
Sure.
Na poso same pan na opache I was saying.
Legend the kind of say over about 2020 and 2024. Na ye share IGP say onye enhwehwemu.
Ebusiamfo aha GhanaNsem TV GH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you'll be notified. Ebusiamfo say Kasoa for our new Kasoa Van Dam. Kasoa for more new Kasoa Van Dam. Na Kasoa Van Dam we die enye se ahondimu eba no ntro nipa otumi twa ntro pa die. Se Kasoa for manya bi. Nti Van Dam in ntro. Na sa Kasoa Van Dam a otumi twa ntro pa enye obi a ye nimno ye bi ye nimno pa. Na sa mamenu ye freno na koyo kana na koyo oye ewutu senya East MP on na ye replacement for ye mami harriskofi. Na sa mami na koyo no 7 December already allegations be brave edit ye mami harriskofi. Ye pese ye kunu ena ye ofa ha ye bu ni police station agent bi ena ha nsembe brave kwa to even end the courtesy of Ghanaian voters. Now me sure pass say this is one of the things why people even voted for her sympathy vote or election day, because now we feel say she was not dealt with fairly. She was not being dealt with fairly, or she was being harassed. Only for Muntaka, I am Minister of Interior, to come out in a report and say, how come say wanye ni she? Wanye sama menu she. Until how come say stance has been vindicated. And no, media personnel be brave, they say, most of them that actually were justifying the fact say mema etimiko buoba ewa blekumanov no. They are retrogressing on their stance and saying say, oh, debut and the harriskofi is not as evil as she was painted to be. Ebia most of them in intro. Na Kwame Adinkrah buwe fupa o say na u muntaka be kase wi afe wu na koyo we so be ye press conference. We say for press conference no ko ti asema unti hwi. Ase obi natural speech no man won. Na speech no okotina ase na on speech no. Enti un say okikan na no and make sense bia. Na according to Kwame Adinkrah no, wow, we honorable member of parliament. Ntro a ucha ekran by now say o resign. Krombi soa. A serious country bia for a member of parliament to have lied in such a manner to cause public disaffection towards another person. You should have done the honorable thing of resigning. But won't resigning yet you still have mouth so organize a press conference. I said by now I say Angelio. Black Maria go for BC. Omuna so mutina Black Maria mo. And they share Black Maria mo. Na busianfo ade aye me dey say crime has no expiry date. Crime, it has no expiry date. Now, since it has no expiry date there, meaning pass one day, ye mami harriskofi obe file for defamation. Defamation is where the power. So filing now 10 million Ghana cedis bia. Mami harriskofi kai say the voice kai GhanaNsem TV GH so. Never me tight brem. Why? If someone that must say, let's go and watch the video. I will see you in the next one.
Reporter Interior Minister Honorable Mutaka Mubarak de bae no. Clear say enkomo a sabre ne content stand and close aspirant and so open no. meka constituency senya awutu senya east oba no ko contest fellas na kayo legend fedi ni cheme Felix na kayo sa no mbono KORYOO ono momu ba TV so be kan say no mo teke mu ye to aba ni wie no ono ne guy seta na chi eteke mu mu ko eno hu se anu abo ha okum se Highlander no ne ka so kai ka no pa namba no o the boys abo mu shutu ye ekum ne guy ne ba ko mo maka ni prepraye na eno reporter interior minister so the no say omo frɛ maame ne say incident no kwesi na oni ho na say asem okan na nya no kre de tosu bio GhanaNsem MP na sa agya atum say ne nkrofo na kan na no kasa no mu no so no ba ko de opre wa tukwa kwa abrochire afa ni obi akra obedi adanse legend de ma me hu say asem o say nyina sekire ka ne mfa party sem to nche ne say wo pe justice a eni kwa so ye selective na interior minister ka ko si say
maame no o kawie no ya gya no sa
legend ona mo
okay
enti no na me concern ka say interior minister ka say nipa 21 there ye de omu komra nim ama mra na omadi I was a money nipa 22 do be ka ho ba ko ne ye current ewutu senya MP so utwa nkontompo de ente say legend udum say eno na ma ye kwa ablekum akoto 19 police stations and ke kokum ha wakum sem and this is very bad so wutimi be twatro ye kwaje obi nkwa free nsem legend and how wakum se crowd o senka omumra wote me pachew ma me ne mra of apology ba legend hu ni say how wakum se na mu nkrofo obo omu pen a omu pen asem and so no anko ntokwa na the next election and obi hia ma me na ebe hu
okay
and immediate they may count on this issue say
report na ka say maame ne nsam okay nya na obo no report no and recommend bibia
wan ka bibia no say ano interior minister krado okay say organize asem no o sisa case no maame ne se esie na oni ho oni ho means that legend otwa atro then a true no try no and when a didi muanka and obo ha kum se ko ablekum anko ko no nti ni kwase a nipa 21 a corporate they should be 22 and ono cross be an honorable minister no I was a question the personality as well so to be chat for the ente say let me say nkanya bra video no na onua TV for any interview and someone okay uti cry mbe show so mu shutu na na machine no
sa obwa
on teda bibia sense here per the interior minister can you
I see
so the question is e di ente no so timi hihya asem huhu de ente say I no ntie kwaje obi nkwa free nsem
well salam what are economists economists no na no meso so mkoto banku fi banku no same if say and now look at pen kwa now look at buy the more inflation will be a fan who say na muta select commodities bi na yana GhanaNsem call department for omoye almost select various key commodities now omodi aye omo inflation no okay say inflation is about 8%. Okay
from 9.4 to
8%. I was for inflation no enche say enema bo enkoso eno nche say enema bo atiaba from there bi the rate at which be a total new no and as I say 8%. 2024 no then number 23%. But I say the yadum 8%. The rate at which I and I yes but still
let me say and that's what I'm we interview our new prof historian and a political politician or Kasoa legend also set in a clay. In fact, in academia, so be ready to level of PhD in a field. To discredit him of his field, you need to provide certain evidence. For him to say, but me and him in economics, I think so. Fair too.
I can't say on him shoe.
Maybe also about baby, but when you name she in economics,
also to say no. I can't sometimes say she
do me and also say economics grow our name she. That's why I say that I disagree with you because legend, to do that, it will take an institution like ABI, academic institution be ekasa. But Oko can in political will say or numshi sana also say your area. Who your political science lecturer. also equal a PhD holder and a professor in economics. Ebe boy than say political selection or so any other issues against Babia, I can raise it. But I don't cast one name in economics. I don't think say ebe fair to buy me as a PhD holder in economics. Then to the issue of inflation. Inflation, I see an increase in price. The word inflation can just say the increase in price of a commodity at a certain level. And maybe because inflation I think will be the can say new bono a cost speed na above form.
Yeah.
And then just say nka ebianka 9%, you know. Anka na mana 10 cedis, you know. So for 9% anka 90 pesos na say any two. Say nka bet 90 pesos. They say about 8%, you know. It just say 8% of 10 cedis will be 80 pesos. And think na mana anka say 10 cedis 90 pesos. They say they bet on 10 cedis 80 pesos. Just anka last year told what it meant to say yes price and anka or neighbor form but speed and cost on this time around above form and I say 0% and then they say a stable price they say the 10 cities we make out but let's say percent a decrease in price say and then 10 cities it's about 9 cities there and the friend deflation and the deflation is not entertained and I say I'm from in economics a collapse of companies they just say I feel the company no the demand kind of profit call the capital and you know might be an person you call the level of deflation and it's you know inflation car na about to I feel last month and never no call 90 pesos this month there and 90 pesos 80 pesos the 80 pesos now aban o they can 90 pesos now I buy 11 cedis and 1 cedi 70 pesos and the definitely never no so cost but speed na they call last month you know and this month in the and the moment they can say inflation from politicians they can't say to take credit but I didn't say never born form but never born a cost last month you know this month and cost that is what it means and the moment you say inflation about 8% and you know I say never form no and it just say and tomorrow last month you know and this month money yepe last month I got on mano it to move 10 cedis because inflation in 9 cedis because of inflation 9%. This time I see about 8% this month, you know. Into moon I should be 8 cedis.
What accounts for that?
It's what we do. This your idea for CPI customer price index, and the idea inflation, they calculate inflation. So what you do is say over divide the previous price, you know, by current price. Results now be now you minus 1 now times by 100. That's what we do. So if I come at the Takobus, I say, no, you say 10 cities. This time around, Argentina, say, maybe a 9 cities. And then before I say, I also want the causes of inflation. The entire inflation causes. Your 3 main causes. Your demand, pull inflation, and our cost push inflation, and what idea friend say, internal one. And then it is caused by these two. And they say, say kobase nipa skaba musa bebre ya na mo demand mic here then the demand exceeds supply and the mama na mabo no akosoro because na manu so na so nipa mpeno edoso eno no ya ade ya mama na manu bo akosoro the dosu mienu cost push inflation and they say nema edi akade ya ade sa ade no e bia me fa say chocolate so kobase chocolate e friend say cocoa ni ade any sugar na ade na so cocoa no boss kosoro na sugar no boss kosoro by the time I be cocoa na chocolate na wi no na ne bo na ade no and ne bo akosoro it definitely ever affect the price of the chocolate and only a cost push inflation then they are touching me say here emra ne ma no bo na akosoro no na work as the man say o mampani e say ne ma bo akosoro to 2 years sika no kakramai o mampani etumu no no also indirectly increase the taxes on the mutual tax na man na so am na ma bo akosoro. So listen, the moment ebia it was season of ebia tomatoes na be bebre it means tomatoes no do so say na edi tomatoes no. So in this case, you know, supply no I exceed demand and they need born be form. So say tomatoes no ko na di mpa na say they na pay tomatoes no di tomatoes no do so say tomatoes demand no so I exceed supply and the money bon so akoso. And this na me ko na this month tomatoes ya no born ebia ebum kakra na amount for me bito na born ebe 10 cedis per friends basket. Next month me ko no and why didn't new run e ka say obeto na 11 cedis Tebeka there has been increase in inflation. Meaning say no one I turn 10 cities, it's about 11 cities. No by 10%. The next month in Bukoya, and then we go say no, I don't know, I say about from Kakra. Enti ebi nkura se omotono ebia 11 cents 50 pesos. Make say inflation above form by 5%. What it means is say 10% are two last month no. At above form this month 5%. And then chira say price in above form. Name president ka ebia last month here 10 once the beka no. Can this month cost okay 2 cities They say above 50%. The legend there chair no. In previous say there has been an fall in inflation and a decrease in inflation. My assume say the price I got on the no. Oko megata so bet no. The only thing is say ebia en kosoro more. But price and there teletia and there.
Well,
Listen, I don't think me person discuss here.
Roman for say
GRA issue.
Roman for on say Yantia sense GD.
That's what it is. That's what it is.
Ebe GD sa.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, okay.
So
Yantia say GD. What's why GRA?
Listen, Mr. Mishada ni commissioner for maritime.
So o ma ban no. There.
Legend oko contractor company me di Sagel and Italiano. So I'm procure cars and GRA.
Vic
cars and GRA. Now the contractor man or convince procurement authority say, oh, I'm a very good company. And to you sue idea for soul sourcing. And one a cars and company and go to Casanabra. Idea friends and procurement acts at 663 when you sukra another company I didn't mark compensation. I feel that company so Eddie I have some money capacity to produce any amount certain subcontracting I don't know subletting my company ranu so ranu mo enko turn them embra at the cost of almost $1 million. I feel that in 2020 car one here almost a month for car because COVID in tea. I say your investigation is just say and your COVID in a month for antocasanama because company don't have capacity. Then the gas company and the capacity it's just a car. I pre-finance in the manaba and sana what
okay.
So at the time of my contract, not the be pan in the basic layer of contract ma'am. It's actually in some company menu so I'm going to tax down kroma. I'm going to tax more by biada.
Oh no, GRA.
GRA penumuno. And they say land we are going to buy and say 880 something million and they now come back a friend saying I told you I said on fan cockot no on this kind of 80 million no. So that's what pano. My money juma be Morgana for the next 5 years. My for the juma.
Now what do you how many years?
According to according to 60 years. But then you see then after retirement and I'm for your contract.
Okay.
Yeah, you can make agencies who consult them. Where he has been banned. Some will be unfunded. But don't necessarily say public offices, even private institution. You do it at your own peril.
But I think that's good. Oh,
it's very, very good.
Yeah.
And then they say, Sharaj, actually complete finance. We say, Abba, I hope and pray say, a man's man for. So, but then the mega question say, yeah, now home. Say, a late, a moon, doors.
Nagana, you are one
of mine, chronocasi.
Ah.
Nipa moon, Nima, dear, is so major, more didi, Nemasha, some legend, or moon of mine, chrono too much.
Yeah.
It's very, very unfortunate.
Yeah.
It's very, very unfortunate. Ushe, corner about my year in billions of dollars.
Say a body, no.
I don't know what she.
Service.
Over 2 billion Ghana.
That's coming the horse.
Let's only idea where I am. You see, the kind of airport in Casa and Ukraine. But say in Ukraine, on the knock to us voluntary service. Or do 50,000 as
legend the asabno krane the area ho krane se
mun dia na okay
we
GRA
yeah and one am be so what say wo mo address company no kra no mo de contract de ma wo mo no per findings shag de buy what say company ni kire say bia wo mo operate ha but wo mo kohwe ho no mo no locate be be a company no na kire say ho
everything is on paper. They don't exist. That is the bottom line.
All right. Na kusi pesoka about Akuako, a general manager for Akota Mines.
Yes.
As I say, AG, dropping the charges. Now, Oba you know as a witness. won't be lawyer no abeka said there's no way almost scheme of affairs no say sa papa na okasa no e jere manager baby
Legend oka odika because
also e jere manager bia baby
because papa no resign 1 year answer issue beba. I think in 2019 or 2020 something or resign 1 year before this issue beba. And then say I'm focus